Severe thunderstorm going on right now. Minnesota. At least it says severe thunderstorm. I don't think we're gonna be hit by that big old dog part. Windy severe thunderstorm. Usually means tornado. I don't really care. That branch right there broke off right in front of me while I was grabbing a box for my cat. So that was pretty cool. Yo, why is the camera acting like this? Hello? It's not, it does not actually look like this. It's a lot clearer, I swear. I don't know why it's acting like it's all foggy or something. This camera sees it. It's not actually like that, I swear. There, see? I think it's just the netting on the window. Is that like up close? No? That big old tree right there. Pretty beautiful, eh? And maybe I'll do some like weather some weather ASMR. Radio tower, brother. We got red truck. We got big ass tree. We got two more big ass trees. We chillin'. We are what you call chillin'. Like a villain. Beef. Anyways, I got an update on my RC car. Sorry, my room's a little messy right now. Oh yeah, so you know my gas mask? I got a strap brake on it. You're on 5 times. Here's 2 of my RC cars. I got a third one. RC helicopter. Camera's acting weird. Sorry if it's fuzzy. Uh-oh. No, we're good. We're good. It's about to hit the wall. Just probably grab the controller. Land. That was a bad landing. Very bad. But yeah, we're chilling right now. Oh, big thunder. Distant. Very. Oh, you guys saw that? See that? Big ass lightning. Lightning and thunder. Beautiful. You know, nature. So nice. I don't think this is a tornado storm. Or at least, I don't think we're gonna be hit by it because over there is light gray. Over there it's darkened where all the lightning's come from, so we're pretty chill. Hold on, I gotta pause and, no, if I pause and exit camera out, then it will, go. Whoa. Damn, I feel bad for the airplanes in the sky right now. For, military exercise, we usually have, military exercises above us. Like Chinooks flying over, AC-130. I think I've seen 2 AC-130s. One circling near my school one time. Pretty cool. Big old boys, you know? Oh, is that wet? No. Use that, but it would block all the sound. And that's also really dirty. Oh, fan. I just had a Markiplier video pop up I'll be posting this. Storms here in Minnesota can be bad. Apparently in Las Vegas, they think an inch, or no, not even an inch, like a little bit of rain is a lot. Meanwhile, we get like feet of rain here. Beautiful. The difference between the desert and the north. Also, we have lots of trees. I think I hear a car alarm right now. Sounds like it's coming from the other side of town over there. Good old tractor. Can you guys see okay if you're sideways? Yeah. I'm gonna set you up nice and sideways. Alright? Alright. Ooh. You guys heard that one? That one was pretty big. There you go. Set you up with a screwdriver and a car on my windowsill. Gotta clean my room. So, just get that. See and listen. By the way, it smells amazing. I wish you could smell this. Well, I got get some. Yep, it smells like beautiful nature just before it rains. I mean, it is lightly raining, or yeah, like stuff is not getting soaked, but it's getting raindrops on it. Big ones. Oh, I hear it raining right now, actually. Probably can't hear it on the camera. Sorry for talking so much. I'm gonna go clean my room. Bye. If it randomly stops recording, that means my phone's out of space, so please don't just like be all pissy about it. Well, damn, you hear that? That sounds like, or it looks like it's lightening up. Yeah, we're being passed. Damn it. Looking nice and beautiful. Yeah, I swear it's getting lighter every time I look. So yeah, we're being passed by, sadly. Ooh, hope you saw that flash of lightning. Or the thunder. I can't really tell the difference between either. To be honest, I don't really care either though, so. Yeah. Anyways. Not joking. Ho ho ho. Beautiful. Really hope you're catching that. Yo, 12 minutes, we're doing good. Oh, screwdriver fell, meaning you don't need any support, hopefully. Well, if you're watching this from Las Vegas, welcome to the Minnesota weather. It's rough. This is just the summer too. Don't even ask about the winter. You can get like feet of snow. Last winter though, we barely had any snow actually. I'm sorry, I'm just addicted to talking, I guess. Steel content, it's gonna be really realizing that you did something wrong. And it's gonna follow the comments. By the way, to all of you who are sticking around in my videos, thank you. Thank you a lot. You are very good people. I don't want this to sound weird, but I love you. And let's try and hit that 10 subs. You know? And I'll do some way of celebrating that I can, which would be partying the best way I can. Because I'm also trying to live with my mom, so I don't really have any start early so I can get money early. Better videos for you. All that stuff. You know? Maybe I'll show you a map of Minnesota sometime. An old map of it. Beautiful maps. Minnesota Scenic Byways. Minnesota Transportation or Department of Transportation. Sorry, I can't talk, I guess. I'll probably gonna hear vacuum soon. Sorry about that. Yeah, also have a painting from 1944. It is not a joke. I'll show you in a different video. You can't just fabricate things, you know? So, I don't know. It's nowhere close to that. You gotta actually get it. I got it from give it an out at World War II. So, World War II penny, which has the date 1944. Let me see what it has on it. 1 cent, United States of America. Yeah, it's legit. Liberty, 1944. Okay. God we trust. Yeah, basically just a normal penny. I guess we haven't changed the pennies for a long time. I'm being so loud, I'm so sorry. Is it raining? Oh yeah, it's raining. You're probably in danger. No, it's raining straight down. Just accept the rain, I guess. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. Yeah, it smells like rain. Actually, really nice. Hi, the video will end by the time the vacuum starts. (1940, 1941, 1942, 1943, 1944, the end of the World War II, 1946, 1950. I think that's the start of the Cold War. I know the Cold War lasted about like 40 to 45 years. Is that correct, history people? 2001, 2002, we're about to get 2024. 2010. Long before time had a name. 2023, 2024, 2025. So it was 2024 hit lightning. I wish I had a good fan base, and you guys really are nice. I appreciate you watching my videos so much. Please like and subscribe. Try and get yeah. I'll see you guys later.